Hey guys, welcome back. We're working back on the E46 project. This is what we're going to be installing today. We got some E46 M3 canards. We're going to retrofit those to the E46 project. You guys can see they are used. What I was told, they came off in a M3 car. They did look, the clear coat was really bad on them, but I had a friend of mine that actually owns a shop here in town, and he was able to get them to look decent and bring back the clear coat back to life. Yeah, he can pretty much ceramic coat anything you want. I will be putting his link down in the description. His shop is called 93 Quartz Ceramic. His name is Kevin, if you guys are interested. He is local here in Nevada, Las Vegas. Yeah, hit him up. So there's pretty much nothing to it. You will have to drill into your front bumper. But I mean, I'm fine with mine because it's my car. Just letting you guys know. They go into something like that to get installed. Either way, I don't know. You guys can put it any way you guys want. Upper part, down part, or on the bottom or upper part. You do have two of them if you want to add them. Something like that. Not sure. Or you guys want to put it like that. It don't matter, but either way, it will look nice. So this is pretty much what you will need. Try to get the smallest drill bit so you don't make such a huge hole on the bumper. Of course, the hardware, possibly a marker too. Don't be afraid to drill into it. Like I said, this is my car, so I'm drilling into it. But like I said, don't be afraid. Nothing's gonna affect the performance or whatsoever. It's not gonna mess up the bumper. Well, you are messing up the bumper with two small little holes, but technically that's all you're doing. One side is done, you guys can see. We're only installing one for now. We do have a smaller one, but we're not gonna install that today. We're only installing one for today, which is the bigger one. So there you go, guys. It's done. Both sides. Like I said, the only sketchy thing about it is that you guys do have to drill into your bumper. But I mean, like I said, this is my own car, so I'm doing whatever I want to it. But yeah, I mean, they look pretty nice for what they are. They match the front carbon splitter as well, so that's pretty cool. Nothing too crazy. Came out pretty decent.